today, but tomorrow kind of the main event, and it's an all-day event. A next weather alert already issued for your Friday. So let's go ahead and open the walls of our next weather sphere. It's relatively quiet right now, certainly going to be cloudier than yesterday. Not that beautiful blue sky. Let's talk about our weather headlines as we start the day today. Today is pretty quiet. Again, it clouds up. There will be a few showers later this afternoon, mainly to the west. They could even move in as we get into midday, right around 11 or 12. But next weather alert is for tomorrow. We've got heavy rain likely. One round in the morning will be at least moderate. That'll impact your morning commute. And then Friday evening, heavy rain and even the risk for flooding. Also, it's a wind-driven rain with the breeze off the Atlantic Ocean. Saturday is cold. It's wet to start, and then just a few showers in the afternoon. Actually, let's jump ahead to, again, what to expect on our radar picture here right now. Clouds and radar showing that system moving in from the west. Let's time it out for you for today. You won't need the umbrella this morning. You may need it by late afternoon, especially to the north and west. Today, not a washout, but tomorrow morning's commute, it's going to be slow. Look at that, 4:30, 5 a.m. Steady downpours. Coming up, I'll take you through the rest of the Friday rain timing, and we'll talk about what it means as we start off your weekend. Kim, I'll send it over to you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Cold again, 20s and near freezing. Unlikely. It has happened before, though, so don't want to completely rule it out. But now we're kind of shifting into a more rainy pattern, and then temperatures are actually going to start to spike a bit next week, which is good news. So not going to see all of that rain or all of that cold for all that much longer, but it is going to stay cold as this rain comes in, and we do have a next weather alert. I want to start off with that. That is for tomorrow, and it's all day, but it's especially at night, and we could see as much as 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area with locally higher amounts, winds gusting to 30 miles an hour, and that's coming off the ocean as well. So it is going to be a cold, raw wind, and there may even be thunder Friday night. Rain on and off all day, but again, the heaviest is late Friday night, and that's when the alert is really in effect for our region, even into Saturday morning. Localized flooding and travel delays, airport delays, and a lot of people traveling with a spring break for many schools next week. So I want to pull up our national map here and kind of just show you where this system is right now. It is a very large system kind of sitting over portions of the Midwest. But first, we have this first batch to get through. You can see the radar for the last 3 hours just showing this line of rain moving through portions of the Midwest. Where you're going to see this new storm form is kind of on the southern edge of this, and that's what's going to be lifting in for us as we get into tomorrow, kind of slowly developing. And you can see how it kind of digs south and then almost kind of comes right up the coast, almost a little bit of a nor'easter component to this with a brisk northeast wind that will be impacting us through much of the day tomorrow and especially tomorrow night, and will take us right into Saturday. So let's pull up our monitor here. What I want to show you is what we're seeing as we get into tomorrow timing wise, and it's going to be a slow progression of clouds rolling in today, a few showers later this afternoon, and then tomorrow is when everything just gets worse and worse as the day goes on. Current temperatures right now, if you're walking out, first thing you'll notice, it's not as cold as yesterday. 43 degrees in the city right now, 38 degrees up in Trenton. Clouds have rolled in, and so temperatures did not drop quite as much last night. That helps. But here comes the rain. Again, this is what I just showed you on the floor. You can see the green spreading towards us. That looks a little bit more robust than it's actually going to be. In fact, I think most of the day is actually pretty quiet. 53 degrees in Philly, 49 at the shore, mostly cloudy. Best chance for showers comes later this afternoon into this evening, and that's mainly north and west. So taking a look at the timing, again, most of today is dry. It's not a very pretty day. You see a few breaks of sun down the shore. I wouldn't be shocked, but here comes the chance for showers. By midday, over the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos, notice how most of this lifts north and it kind of fizzles. But overnight tonight, here comes another round, and I think tomorrow at this time we'll be tracking showers for your morning commute. That lifts out, and you can see the rain is just kind of spotty and patchy throughout the day as that next storm works its way up the coast. By 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it starts to get heavier, and that's when the winds begin to pick up as well. Pockets of heavy rain through Friday night into Saturday morning, and Saturday is chilly and windy with showers around all day long. I'll take you through the whole next weather 7-day forecast coming up in just a few minutes. For now, let's send it over to Kim and get a check on your traffic. Hey, Kim.
Good morning, Kim.